I'm broke. Basically, okay, let me start all over. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing the December BoxyCharm. I've always wanted to do this and I never do it because I never have time, but December I have time. So each month you get a box, you subscribe. It's a subscription box, so you subscribe and each month you get a box with like makeup that they do like sneak peeks, and it's random makeup. It's full-size product, so it's really cool. You pay $25 a month. For this video, I'm gonna go ahead and use the stuff that's in the box to show you guys how it's used. For this month's BoxyCharm, I'm not gonna explain really because they're not sponsoring me, so anyways, I'm gonna be using the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water. So it retails for $39. Blah blah blah. It looks cute. It looks funny. I need a mirror. My espejito. Oh shit, it really is dirty. It's brand new. Duh. Ooh, look at how it looks. By the way, guys, I got a camera. This is my first video with it. It's so cold. My hands are super cold. I don't know why, but my hands are always so cold. Like, oh dang, I put like a lot. Make sure to get your neck. Oh my god. This feels really, really nice. Hydrated, so. Cool. Where's my paper? Okay. Is this thing, what is it? It's a lip exfoliator with radish extract. Retails for $24. Oh, I have something in my eye. I can never open these. Is it recording? It smells like pink medicine that I used to drink when I was smaller. Oh, it's like a scrub. So basically the directions was use your ring finger, gently buff onto lips in a circular motion. Rinse with cold water or with a wet tissue to reveal the smoothest skin ever. The next thing that I got in the BoxyCharm is, so there's 5 products. I forgot to tell you guys, but there's 5 products. I got this brow bar. It's a true brow makeover kit. It's like this. There's like a black, a brown, and this is like, I think this is supposed to be the concealer to clean it. I think it is. And then it comes with this little brush. I don't know what this is. It's a brow gel. I'll do that later. It has the tiniest mirror on top. Can you guys see that? That doesn't really help. Okay, what I don't like this, it doesn't have a little brush thingy to brush my eyebrows. I use the angled side brush. A little, what is it? A little YouTube makeup artist. I don't know. You can't see that. So it's not that bad. Guys, so for some reason I couldn't upload the video of me doing my eyeshadow with the eyeshadow palette that I used. I don't know how to do all the camera uploading and stuff. So this part skips from my eyebrows. I finished doing my eyebrows and then it skips to my full face. Sorry, I'm gonna jump from like no makeup to full makeup. As you guys can tell, I did my whole face. I put on some lashes. I didn't do eyeliner, but using this dark one, I used this like really tiny brush and I kind of like made a line on my eyelashes. And yeah, so right now I'm baking, but I gotta blend it away nice and neutral. So now the last product that I wanted to show you guys was the Ciot London Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. So where's my little paper? This retails for $26. Go ahead and open it up. Ooh, the packaging is cute. But it's going to the trash. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a very Christmassy vibe. It has like little stars. One is in the shade Dusk. Ooh, it looks like that. That is so cute. I'm just gonna be using the Morphe M405 brush to put on some blush. Hopefully this is not too pigmented. Okay, I love it. It doesn't smell like anything. And it doesn't have a gloss or anything. Like, it doesn't look like a highlight blush. This is so pretty. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some like on my nose right here. Make sure I remove all the powder. for the bottom, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with the yellow one just a little bit and put some on the bottom of my lash line. I use this small little brush. It's from Luxie 213T. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara on my lower lashes. So let me just go ahead and put on some lipstick, spray my face, and add some highlight, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I think I am done. Let me take out my little diadema, whatever it's called. I hope you guys really like this look that I created with the BoxyCharm box. Thank you. I think there's a box that says like, oh, the friend referred you. Put my name on it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I actually liked it. It's like a little neutral eyeshadow with some gold. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.